In this video, we will learn how to optimize your eBay store with SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing your eBay store is a very important task. You never want to leave it up to eBay. We will be discussing store names and URLs, store descriptions, custom categories or subcategories, and lastly, search engine keywords for your primary and secondary keyword. Okay, let's talk about store names. The eBay store name you choose will affect your business. Think about this for a couple of seconds. If your username on eBay before you got a store was, let's just say for this example, Kim1098ZZ, there are a number of things wrong with this based on what we have learned about SEO in the surge level. So with that in mind, we will need to figure out a name for your eBay store that is catchy, memorable to your customers, and lastly, SEO optimized. As you can see here, we have provided some highly searched key terms from Google to help you name your eBay store. Using words like deals, savings, discounts, markdowns, etc. will help you increase your eBay sales. Remember, our intention is to maximize your traffic, which will in turn maximize your eBay profits. Now that we have an eBay store, we will need to finish the setup process. We will be adding a banner and logo image to your eBay store. To get to your store settings, log into eBay, click your name in the top left of the browser and click on your username. Now let's go set up our eBay store. In this screen, we will click on the Visit Store link as seen here. Once we click the Visit Store link, there will be a Manage My Store button at the top right to get to the eBay store setting. Now we will click Edit Store from the left menu. The next few steps, we will be adding a banner and logo image to your eBay store. You can create your own images to upload. The banner image size is 1200 by 270 pixels, and the logo image size is 300 by 300 pixels. This is where we will be editing our store information. The first step is to enter the store name that you have chosen. Just type out your store name here. The next section is where we can add a banner image, or as eBay calls it, a billboard image. You will see instructions on the sizes and suggestions we mentioned earlier. Just click the Add Image link and upload the image from your computer. You can also add a logo image right below this section. We recommend naming your images related to your store name to help with SEO. For example, if our store name was Outdoor Gear Discounts, we would name our images related to those words, such as outdoor-gear-discounts. Next, we will go over the eBay store description. As you can see, eBay actually gives you some tips on building your eBay store description. With that in mind, based on our earlier example, let's write out a store description. Outdoor Gear Discounts offers high-quality sports and outdoor products for the best possible prices. We are constantly adding new outdoor gear for runners, hiking, biking, camping, and fitness-related items. Please take a look around and let us know if we have any specific outdoor gear not shown. Our outdoor gear customers love the fact that they can save money and get top quality products. So, as you can see, we were able to write a description using our main keyword and add several related keywords to our description. The maximum amount of text allowed in an eBay store description is 1,000 characters. The next section of the eBay store setup is optional. However, it is a great tool. You can select specific listings to feature. This is a great place to add your top selling products. They will be shown at the top of your eBay store. The rest of the options are optional as stated here on this page. Once you have finished editing your store, you can click preview to see what it looks like and then publish to save your changes. Now that we have our store design all set up, we can now create categories. Categories are another great way to implement what we have learned about eBay SEO. Some of you may already have created categories. Not to worry, we will be going over how to update the search engine keywords for your categories shortly. Okay, let's create some categories. Potential buyers will use your eBay store categories that appear on the left menu navigation of your store to quickly find items they want to purchase. When creating categories, the number one rule is to think like a buyer. Organize your categories according to how buyers will shop. Remember to use terms that buyers will understand. eBay will allow you up to 300 categories. However, you do not need to use 100 categories or even 20. You can even research on your favorite online sites that sell similar items to determine how they set up their category structure. You should never duplicate category names or create similar category names. Name your category using 30 characters or fewer to make them easily to scan. Try not to edit category names. This can confuse your potential customers. Now that we have created some store categories, we will need to edit the category keywords. To get to the keyword section of the categories, click on Search Engine Keywords on the left menu in the Manage Your Store screen. eBay uses these keywords to provide external search engines such as Bing, Google, and Yahoo with information to increase the chances that potential buyers will find your eBay store when they are entering keywords on their sites. You will want to use keywords that your potential customers are likely to search for in search engines. Choose keywords that are consistent or relevant to the content to your category. For example, consider using words in your store category names and item titles as keywords. Use keywords that are related to one another. As per eBay, you should never use keywords that are unrelated to one another. Use the same keywords twice. Repeat any keyword in the keyword phrases more than 3 times. Spamming keywords could affect your page ranking or even cause your store to be removed from the search engine index. In the above example, the keywords are for the main store page. So by looking at the keywords, we can tell this store is selling mostly items for your home. Again, depending on your store name and what you are selling is going to be the keywords you are using as primary keywords. Secondary keywords are based on the category name. For example, if we had a category name as furniture, we would add bedroom, kitchen, dining room, patio, deck, porch to the keywords. Keyword Spy is a great place to find keywords for anything. It is a very useful site for your eBay store categories and your eBay listings. A simple search for patio, as you can see, will return related keywords. So in the next example, we are going to add our keywords to our category, patio and garden. Please do not overthink the process. This is the same technique we used in the eBay SEO video. We are looking for related keywords to our main keyword, patio and garden. Okay, based on common sense and the words we found from keywordspy.com, we will enter the keywords in separate fields. Remember, each field has a character limit of 60 characters. You are allowed to use a single word no more than 3 times. So let's just name off a few keywords we could add to this category. Patio furniture, gardening tools, outdoor seating, outdoor lights, landscaping, outdoor cooking, etc. As you noticed when I read off those keywords, I used outdoor 3 times. Again, do not overthink the process. Once you have finished entering your keywords, just click Save. Next, we will go over how to add subcategories. Each category in your eBay store has the capability to create a subcategory. We will now walk you through the steps to create subcategories. In this example, we will create subcategories for the home decor category, as seen here. Let's click on the category called Home Decor to see how subcategories work. As you can see here, there are 5 subcategories in the Home Decor category. To add additional subcategories, click the Add Category button on the top right as seen here. Here, we can enter the subcategories we want to create in the fields. Category and subcategory names are limited to 30 characters. Remember, as previously discussed, each category and subcategory will need keywords entered. Never leave it up to eBay. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your category search engine keywords. You will need to complete this task on all categories and subcategories to maximize your eBay store traffic.